Wall Street investor bought this house 3 years ago, and now it's just sitting empty. You can see the yard hasn't been mowed. It's listed for rent at $2,400 a month, but right now there's no takers. And this is a trend we're seeing more and more across Florida. Empty houses owned by institutional investors. In fact, these institutional investors are now leaving Florida, and what could be the sign of a massive housing market downturn underway. And when this investor first bought this house 3 years ago, they listed it on the market for $2,600 a month in rent. 3 years later, they've had to cut the price to $2,400 a month. And so in some Florida markets, rents are actually going down just as property tax and insurance costs are going up, which is forcing more of these investors to either sell or stop buying. Now, where are these investors going if they're no longer buying in Florida? Well, they're going close by. States like Georgia, Tennessee, and Alabama now have a higher institutional investor ownership share than Florida, according to data from Atom Data Solutions. Those states are cheaper than Florida, the property taxes are lower, the insurance costs are lower, and you can earn a higher return as an investor, with data on Reventure app showing that the cap rates in states like Alabama can go as high as 10%. Download the Reventure mobile app to track investor metrics in your market.
Upgrade by August 18th to lock in the $39 a month rate before it increases to $49.